Today we have lightning taking on a tornado. Who wins? Well, let's find out. Now, this is a different type of fight to do because they're not really fake. This is kind of like Brachiosaurus versus Argentinosaurus, where it's a lot harder to do. It's just harder to do. Now, this one is difficult because lightning and tornado, you don't know how they would fight. Now, here's the thing. Lightning may be faster, but it's technically made out of the clouds. You know, I learned this in my science class last year, that lightning is produced by the clouds, apparently. Correct me if I'm wrong. And tornadoes form inside, and I have, like, I think, use clouds when they transform, I think. Again, just correct me if I'm wrong. So, overall, they're gonna cancel each other out if that happens. But that's not how this fight's gonna go out. Let's take a look at the amount of damage. Lightning has done a lot of damage, like, you know, destroying trees and causing fires, but those are the same type of things a tornado could cause. Let's take a look at how much damage a tornado cost. Much, much more. Like, a lot more overall. So, now destruction doesn't even give us the actual answer. Now let's see if how much power they hold. I don't think lightning is that tough because it's more based from like the clouds, and it's really fast. However, that's not gonna help against a tornado. When I look at a tornado, on the other hand, much stronger. And I think the thing is, lightning never even knows where it's gonna hit. So, realistically, it could even hit inside a tornado, essentially causing the tornado to win. So, in my opinion, a tornado wins. But what do y'all think? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you think tornado wins, please give me more reasons why. If you think lightning wins, please tell me why. I'll see you guys. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like,